nice start. Sunshine this morning, a little mix of sun and clouds out on the eastern plains, and now at 5:15, 71 degrees. So we will be in the upper 60s to low 70s this morning. By noon, 90, and then by 4 o'clock, 95. It is still dry. It's still pretty hot. We will get a few gusty thunderstorms popping up today. Most of that, though, is going to be off to the east. Now, yesterday we hit 105. That tied the hottest day ever on record here in Denver. It is going to get cooler this afternoon. We'll be in the 90s today, 80s this weekend. So a nice change heading into the weekend. Yesterday was pretty brutal at times. A beautiful shot from Westminster from our Viera wireless camera there. Lots of sunshine as you look off to the west. Look down to the south at the spring fire right now, burning there near along the Sangre de Cristos. You can see some little spots, hot spots early this morning, where we're still seeing a few flames and quite a bit of smoke. Also some haze down across parts of southern Colorado. So if you're driving south, maybe heading out of Colorado for the 4th of July, for the weekend before, you're going to find some hazier skies there along I-25 as you head down into Trinidad. Right now, fire danger remains really high over the western half of the state. It's not as hot today, but it's still very dry. The winds are going to kick up, and that's going to cover, again, most of western Colorado. Off across the eastern plains, we're going to be just on the edge of that risk for some marginal risk of severe weather, likely with a few of these storms. Again, the winds will be a big issue. Might even get a few areas where we get larger hail, and again, that's pretty far east. Here in town, we'll be under a mix of sun and clouds through early morning. Most of those clouds just off to the east of I-25, 86 degrees by 9:30. So it's going to happen early on again today. It's just not going to get quite as hot between 12 and 5. We'll be in the low to mid 90s near Denver, Fort Collins, and Greeley, and then some upper 90s close to 100 down to the southeast by 3 o'clock. Western Colorado, there's your winds. And again, you can see those coming in out of the southwest, likely at about probably 20 to 40 miles per hour. That's enough. It doesn't take much when it's this hot and dry for fire danger to be really high. Early tomorrow, 60s, so it's a little cooler early tomorrow on Saturday morning. And we've got some showers, a little fog potentially, and some light rain up across the northeastern corner of the state. Winds will shift. We've got cooler air settling in, upper 70s to it looks like low 80s, and a chance for some scattered storms and showers across most of eastern Colorado through tomorrow evening. So hoping for a little bit of rain with these storms. Threat for severe weather is going to be pretty low here in town tomorrow, but it is going to be cooler. Nice change. Saturday we're at 83, and on Sunday 87. Early next week, things are going to ramp back up. We'll be back to near 90 on Monday. And looking at, again, a long string of 90s, Jason. We've got the 4th now on our 7-day forecast there on Wednesday. 92 with the chance for a few late day storms.